Looking for a safer, more cost-efficient way to power your home and even earn extra income? Meet the Sunease Solar Micro Generator, your new low-carbon lifestyle solution. With rising electricity prices and unstable grids, more households are choosing solar to secure power and cut costs. The Risen Sunease system was designed exactly for this need. At its core is Risen's self-developed Luvit series microinverter, paired with a variety of high-efficiency Risen PV modules to create microgeneration systems tailored to different household consumption profiles. Together, they deliver a cleaner, safer, and more reliable renewable energy solution. Thanks to a unified technology platform, the system moves beyond mere physical assembly to become a fully integrated, performance-optimized ecosystem, enhanced across compatibility, safety, generation efficiency, and intelligent management, maximizing the value of the PV system throughout its life cycle. The Luvit microinverter features 4 independent MPPTs, enabling each model to operate at its maximum power output. This minimizes losses from shading or complex roof orientations, ensuring optimal system-wide efficiency. It's perfectly suited for diverse rooftops, maximizing usable space and enabling more modules to be connected. Safety is built in. The DC side runs at less than or equal to 60 volts, eliminating electrical hazards. Its lightweight design, under 6 kilograms, plus plug-and-play wiring allows single-person installation and one-click commissioning, cutting time and labor costs. The system connects to the Risen PV Smart Energy Management Platform for module-level monitoring, remote diagnostics, and smart O&M, reducing maintenance effort and costs. Beyond homes, it's also perfect for bus stops, gas stations, convenience stores, corridors, and other small-scale C&I scenarios, as well as innovative scenarios, with high output, safety, fast installation, and easy maintenance. The Risen Sunease system helps you beat high energy prices and power instability while enjoying a smarter, greener life.